Hello guys, my name is Dr. Deepak Garg and today we will discuss prevention of COVID-19. From our last video, we already know how does the COVID-19 spread and how long the infectivity of a COVID positive person can infect us. So the first thing that we need to know is the social distancing. More than 2 meters wherever we go, wherever we stay, we need to keep a social distancing of more than 2 meters. We should avoid going to the crowd or the crowded places. Avoid close contact with ill individuals. If they have any symptoms related to COVID, we will discuss the symptoms in our next video. Wear mask whenever go outside. We should diligently wash our hands, particularly after touching the infected surfaces. Alternatively, we can use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% of the alcohol. We need to maintain a proper respiratory hygiene, that means covering our cough and sneezes. Particularly, we can cover with our elbow, handkerchief or our wrist, but we should not use our hand for covering the cough or sneeze. Avoid touching the faces, in particular eyes, nose and mouth, that can infect our body. We should clean and disinfect objects and surfaces that are frequently touched. Stay alert for symptoms and stay at home as much as possible. If close contact with suspected or confirmed cases, then self-quarantine yourself at home for 14 days following last exposure. During this time, we need to monitor for fever, cough and dyspnea. We should avoid contact with individuals at high risk for severe illness. We will discuss in our next video who are the individuals for high risk for severe illness. Avoid all non-essential travels, whether by car, by plane or by bus. We should avoid all non-essential travels. If we are going to work daily in a high risk zone or going to work after 14 days of self quarantine, then we should monitor our symptoms and temperature daily. We should use a mask and we should keep a social distancing even in the canteen or everywhere at the workplace, and workspace should be disinfected regularly and properly. Thank you guys. There may be many doubts left. Please put your doubts in the comment box. I will try to make another video on the doubts. We will discuss the symptomatology in our next video. Thank you guys.